Raw Talk TV, and we are at Shannon Southern Coffee Cruise in Mandurah. And when it comes to being different, there really isn't much more different than this gorgeous 33 Plymouth that we're having a look at now. It belongs to Colin. Colin, congratulations. That car is a work of art. Must be pleased with the end result.
Yeah, a lot of years of playing around, but it's worth every cent of it, I guess.
I don't know where to start talking about this car. There is so much that's gone into it, and you know more about it than I do, so tell us what has gone into this car.
And it's basically a 33 Plymouth 5-window coupe. That's what I've started off as. It's a fiberglass replica, come from the States, body-wise, and the rest of it's a VE SS Commodore. Motor, gearbox, all the electricals, computers, all that sort of gear.
So have you built the classic style hot rod box chassis, or have you essentially put a body onto a Commodore frame?
No, it's a traditional box chassis built here, and then made to suit all the running gear, and with a fiberglass body sitting on top of it.
There is so much that goes into a VE Commodore, electronics alone. Is all of that, do you have all of that functionality, or have you lost some things along the way?
The only thing that doesn't run now is the ABS and airbag, but it runs everything else: cruise control, electric windows, you name it, it's got all the VE Commodore running bits.
Is it like driving a VE Commodore?
Oh, power steering helps. It makes it drives like a Commodore.
Only looks way cooler than a Commodore, I've got to say. Now, I know I'm colourblind and the colour looks different to me than what it does to you, but that colour really grabs me. What colour is it?
It's a Colorado called Rock Orange.
Yeah. So how long have you had it on the road?
This is its 5th year now. So.
Yeah. Fun to drive?
Yeah. Goes quick enough.
Yeah. And I ask everybody, do you like talking to people? Because I imagine that you couldn't park this too many places without people wanting to talk to you.
No, well, that's part of the deal when you get hot rod, people talk to you.
You don't build these if you don't like talking to people. Colin, it's a beautiful car, and thank you for bringing it out to Shannon Southern Coffee Cruise in Mandurah, and hopefully we'll see it cruising around a bit more.
No problems at all. Thanks a lot.
Thanks, Colin.